In this video, we'll show you how to update the CAPTAN device. First, go to the Update section and click on the designated area to select the update file. If you're using a computer, laptop, or tablet, select the file and click Open. You can also drag and drop the update file into the specified area. If you're using a mobile phone, simply select the file from your device's storage. Once the file is selected, the update process will begin. If you prefer to update the device via a USB flash drive, select the update file directly from the device's LCD screen. After that, the update process will start automatically. Finally, wait until the update process is fully completed.